Hey everybody, how you doing? We're back for the final hour of trading on the markets and the first hour of the aftermarket. So let's see what's going on. What's happening? GameStop is moving. Just touched 177.31 a moment or so ago. It's 176.81, up $16.89. Thank you very much. Just hit 77.05 right now. She's just going
A moment or so ago, it's 176.81, up $16.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. She's on the road to greatness, 177.40. New high today. I like coming on the air just when the stock hits a new high today that we are all following. Very good. No news. I have no info on the company as far as any kind of press release or anything that I'm aware of. Anyone know anything? You let me know. But the stock is just running up right now, 177.52 and 56, going for 178. Very little resistance, I am sure. That was easy. That's easy. 177.51, and we're looking great. Volume again on the stock right now, 5.26 million. That's better than lately, but not heavy volume. We know that 10 million shares usually isn't much of a big deal around here. 178.37. We're rolling. We are rolling. Absolutely rolling. 178.20. We are in the highs of the day right now, as we're busting through these dollar resistance levels like they're not even there. At this pace, she'll break through 180 in no time if she wants to keep on running. I'm not sure why it's running. I don't know what's causing it. I'm just happy about it. So cheers to everybody. I hope you're having a good day. See you later. Bye. My work here is done. We've had a good day. What am I here? What am I in the air for? Okay, 56-point drop on the New York Exchange on the Dow. That is a good sign. That is the best level since the opening. That market has clawed. It's all the way. It's clawed itself all the way back to be down only 56 or some odd points. S&P down 14, Nasdaq down 103. So the overall markets are better looking. They're not where we want them, but we're certainly a lot better off than before. Hang on one sec. Oh boy, bless Bruce. We're taking this run as far as it wants to go. Let's see what happens. Thank you very much. 178.20 on the stock, 13.98 on AMC. I knew I had a second one. 13.98 on AMC, trying to get back to 14, up $1. And IPOE, $15.60, up 66 cents. The high of the day so far on IPOE, $15.90. So we're 30 cents off the high of the day. And we've had 2.2 million shares trade on IPOE with no news. We know 2 weeks today it will be SoFi. And there you have it. Bless and Bruce, thank you guys. We are rolling 178.18 and getting more and more better all the time. We'll take the run as far as the run wants to go. 178.70 now. That is the new high right now, 178.70, up $18.78 on 5.38 million shares of GameStop right now. Okay. Other news, there's a lot of talk on CNBC today about employees. They're talking about how employers are having trouble getting employees to come in. They're just not they're not motivated. They want more money, or the money isn't good enough. The offer just doesn't excite them because they're doing their math, and they're figuring out if you're looking after the kids at home instead of taking them to a daycare, you're saving a lot of money, and you don't have to make as much. If you can work at home with your children at home with you in some form of, maybe you have a babysitter in for a few hours to help you out during the day in the house, but the rest of the time you're there, and perhaps the husband and wife can both look after the children and they don't need to take the kids to daycare. That just brings the cost of living down dramatically. Improves the quality of life. Food is made at home instead of you're going out to eat when you're working downtown somewhere or at an office complex. People are figuring out, I don't need to make as much money at the office if I'm working from home, because my expenses to be a worker have dropped dramatically. Commuting costs, subway tokens, parking, gas for your car, maintenance. just goes on and on and on. And people are figuring out this remote working thing is not a bad gig. Might be something to, maybe do on a more permanent basis. Anyway, I found that an interesting chats lately. And there you go. Some are, but there are a lot of folks who are. They're not just at home on unemployment benefits. They're at home working from home, and they're making as much salary at home as they were at the office, but they don't have to spend the money to get there, get back, eat when they're there, go for a coffee with the boss or a group of workers, and you feel like you should be part of the loop, so you go for a coffee. These folks are figuring out, hey, if I don't spend as much money to be working, I keep more. And if I don't have to take my child to a daycare scenario, I'm saving a lot of money. This is how many dollars a day are people spending on childcare? It's pretty scary stuff. It's a lot of money. If you can turn yourself into a consultant and now put yourself into an LLC kind of a consulting agency where you're maybe assisting 5 or 6 companies with work. You're working 20 hours for this company this week, 20 hours for that one. Next week it's 15 and 15 and 10. You got 4 or 5 or 6 companies that you're doing work for. You're spreading out your services. You're a consulting agency, an employment agency. You've got deductions, like home expenses, rent, mortgage, utilities. You're able to write stuff off the top of your income line before your entity pays you, before you have taxes. This is a way better situation for a lot of people, and they're kind of going, why am I going downtown for? What am I going to lock myself up with one outfit when I can be a free agent for a number of companies? Like the deal. So there's a lot of that talk going on right now, and I bet you a lot of people are thinking, going forward, what their future is going to be like, whether they're ever going to join their, cohorts again at an office rather than be a free agent. It's interesting. 177.20 on GameStop, 177.37. High today, 178.88. So $1.50 away or so, $1.51 from the high today. It's holding on up here. Interesting. 5.5 million traded so far, and it's 177, 176. It's jumping about a little bit here. It should consolidate a little bit, but it just blew through 175, blew through 176, blew through 177, blew through 178, like butter. So hot knife through butter. Very, very good. Interesting. That's my situation. How home saving money. And I for sure would take a pay cut to keep working from home. What can I say? Interesting. I'm loving I am loving WFH life, work from home life. I work for a consulting firm. Don't have to travel. Is wonderful. Granted, I'm young and without a family. There you are. And if you're now going to be working from home, you can decide where that home is. Home doesn't have to be where it is now if you're not happy with the home that you have now or where you are now, especially if you're a renter. If you're a renter, oh my gosh, you're a free agent. You could really go. Absolutely. Everybody should be able to work from home except people who deal with the public and medical professionals. Even attorneys can Zoom nowadays. That's right. Auditors, accountants, systems people, headhunters. There's a lot less, getting out. Very interesting. I'm working from home Mondays and Fridays. I can't ever see going back to driving to an office 5 days a week. There you go. This makes sense. Hey gang, missed you all in the AM. Run, GameStop run. 176.68 on GameStop, up 1676. Doing great. The market, the Dow down 43 now, and S&P down 10, and Nasdaq down 82. So we're definitely getting improvement. Oil is at 66.25, up 88 cents. They're saying that the oil is at its highest level in 2 years. I understand there's thoughts that oil should go higher. I don't know why. There's tons of it. There's no supply issues. The pipeline's back up and running. Shouldn't be an issue. I don't see consumption becoming unable to be met. I don't see that at all. I just am. I'm not a bull on oil prices. I'm not saying it's going to crash or crap out, but in the 55, 60 range is kind of normal, where it might end up 50 to 60, 66 to 70, 75. That's artificial. There's too much oil out there. No way can that hold. But we'll see. I've been working from home for a few years now. It is wonderful. Here's why I moved to Japan. TBH, I'm slowly starting traveling to customers. Working from home is nice, but it's still fun getting out. Let's see. Good afternoon, Lance. How much for a garbage bag of gasoline, by the way? There you go. Anybody got some gas for sale on the garbage bag? Wing Commander, traveling has its perks and can be a lot of fun if the location is nice. For me personally, I started dreading it after the first couple of months. I agree. I mean, there's nothing wrong with going to a convention once a year. There's nothing wrong with working a holiday into a trip if you can do that. But boy, I tell you, if you can move to where you want to be living, and then be working from that location in a setting that you're happy with, hey, way to go. I mean, you ever want to move to Hawaii permanently? Okay. If you want to live full time in, off the coast, the coast of the Pacific Ocean in Oregon, or you want to live in, Tucson, Arizona, you want to live in St. Louis, you want to live in Frisco. I mean, wherever. I mean, pick the place. As an American, you've got a lot of places. As Canadians, we too, we can go coast to coast now, anywhere in Canada we want to live. And then, of course, there's the world, isn't there? And some of you, I can sense it, you will be traveling. You will be putting together plans to travel the world and work at the same time. I can see some of you being able to pull this off, where as a couple or as an individual, you will sell off everything you got, or put it in storage, or whatever, sublet your place, furnished, whatever, and you will hit the road, and you will be doing Airbnbs for a month at a time in various places. And it might be that you're going to discover Italy for 6 months, and you're going to do Italy for 6 months, 6 different locations, a month each, from Sicily to Tuscany to northern Italy to wherever. Others of you will discover Europe for 6 months or a year, and you'll just pack your tent every month for 6 weeks or so, and discover various countries in Europe that you've always wanted to see. Now you can see it like a local. You can enjoy it without it being in a rush. Hurry! We're in a hurry. We're going home in 3 days. We got to get this done. No. Yeah, exciting stuff. I can see some of you working for a week and then taking a week off, and working for a week and taking a week off on the road as a nomad. And I can see a bunch of you scheming. You're thinking about getting an RV, and you're going to get a whatever kind of RV you've always wanted, and you and your partner, or you on your own, or however you're doing it, you're going to hit the road, and you're going to Bureau of Land Management for a while. You're going to campground it. You're going to just whatever, and you're going to do it off the beaten path. You're not going to be where all the tourists are in July 4th. You're going to be off the beaten path. You're the opposite. It's where they aren't is where you're going, and you're going to see America or North America or whatever in a leisurely pace, and you're going to have the best internet connection. You're going to get mobile, and you're going to be working. And some of you, I can see where you'll take a Class A motorhome, head to Indian Wells, California, and rent an $800 a month spot, park your RV in a really nice gated RV park, and you're going to live there for 4 months, 5 straight months straight. You've got a car with you. You're towing it. Now you got wheels to get around. You want to go for a bite to eat. You drive to an In-N-Out. Go to Costco, get a chicken bake or a hot dog, and pick up some provisions, bring them back to your rig, and hang out. You got your barbecue pit out there. You got the clubhouse over there with the pool and jacuzzis, and the golf courses all around you, and you're going to live that lifestyle at age 35, 40, 45, 50, not 70, 75, or 80. You're going to do it now. There you go. 175.10 on GameStop as it's consolidating a little bit here. Kind of expected. It had a bit of a run there. 5.7 million volume. Thank you very much. Good volume today. on the GameStop. The Dow down 36 points. It's getting closer to a break even. The S&P is down now 9.99 points, and the Nasdaq is down 78. Very, very interesting. Just heard today the president made a speech about an hour ago, talking about the child tax credit boost is coming into effect, and I think July 15th and every 15th of that thereafter, every month, either a check or a direct deposit is coming from the U.S. government to families with kids, and I think it's $250 a child, payable every month. But the child credit, I think it's $300 per month per child, or $250 or $300, depends on how old your kid is, how old your children are, and some of these folks, some families might have 2 or 3 kids, 4 kids. They're going to be hauling in $1,000 a month in tax benefits to get children out of poverty. Good stuff, for the kids. Interesting. So there are some families out there who are going to see a direct cash benefit starting July 15 and every month thereafter. This is a 1-year deal that has been put into this stimulus package that was passed, $1.9 trillion. Again, depending on your income and everything else, but that was interesting. I saw that go through today, being announced. And here we are watching the markets together. 1552 on IPOE, up 58 cents. GameStop up 1541 to 75.33. AMC at 1384, up 86 cents. Gore's Holdings just not going anywhere today. Down 30 cents at 11.13. Was as low as 11.01 about an hour ago. Recovered a little bit, but nothing going on today on Gore's. Virgin Group, VGAC, is flatlining. VGAC, this is the chart for VGAC. It's just flat right across the board. That is a one penny difference between low and high. They're all the way except for the opening, which was here at 994, I think, but it's been 998, 998 all day. There's obviously some kind of a bid ask in there to keep it there, which tells me, yeah, this company is about to merge into 23andMe. Up 3 cents. Fifth Wall Acquisition down 10 cents to 10.28. Vector at 10.02, up 8 cents. Vector Acquisitions. This is what an 8-cent move looks like on a chart from low to high, from 10 in the morning to now. 8 cents, but it's at 10.02, so something's happening on the Vector. Something good is happening on Vector. Volume 800,000, so maybe that one is also about to launch. Like I said, all these SPACs are about to launch. We're just waiting for them to come through. VanEck is down 327. The SMH, VanEck Semiconductor ETF, they were as low as 226 this morning. They were $4 lower than where they are now. They're recovering nicely, sort of like the market is recovering nicely. So that was kind of good to see. IBM is up 65 cents. Home Depot is down $3.11. It was down. It's now at 320. It was down to 315. The Home Depot was down $8 today. It's now only down $3 and coming on quite nicely. You can see the dip here, and now this run all the way back up. So that's good to see. Coming back to the 332 mark. This is the market in plain English, folks. I don't put up fancy charts. I don't put up fancy resistance levels. I'm just talking to you on the camera, telling you what I see is going on. And it's looking better. Plain English, looking better. We like it. IBM is up 59 cents. The Dow is right now down 57. Microsoft down 338. Apple down $1.82. Tesla down $23. BlackBerry or Bed Bath & Beyond up 9 cents. BlackBerry down a penny. Cruise lines almost unchanged now. Royal Caribbean down 9 cents. Norwegian down a penny. Carnival down up 17 cents. So we've got a mixed bag over there. Amazon having a good day, up $42, holding its own. And Amazon is Facebook is rapidly coming to break even. It is almost at the break even line. It's now $314.99, down 99 cents or something like that. So it's just about back to the break even line. It was down as low as $3.11, about $4 lower than where it is now. Definitely coming back around. Okay, thank you very much. 176.61 on GameStop, about $2 below the high of the day that was set in the last 15-20 minutes. As it is coming on again, we're happy to see the move. We don't have announcements. We don't have a news event to give you for a $16 rise. That's kind of a good thing, isn't it? GameStop goes up $16 a share. No news. Oh, yeah, kind of like there's no serious selling going on. All of a sudden, it goes up like 10% in a day on only 5 odd million shares. It's pretty good. 176.99. It's trying to reach 177 again. We'll see if it's putting another little another shot. Oh no, Marv Albert is going to retire after announcing NBA games for 55 years. Yes, when you throw a three-pointer and it goes through. Yes, Marv Albert, what a career. See what else is going on. Our Erico, Stock Market Bruce. Next time the market's quiet, would you mind briefly touching on vertical spread trading? Thanks, Uncle Bruce. I don't even know what that is. Vertical spread trading. I don't know. That's it. Okay. Ona, the problem with oil is they can't find any experienced employees to work for them. The problem with oil is they can't find experienced employees to work for them. Okay. Jane, I worked from home over 6 years in my 19-year career with a hospital, and it has its good and bad points. I agree. Nothing is absolutely perfect, but certain things just can work out better for certain people, whether it's working remotely or working in an office or working on location or traveling for work. There's all kinds of ways to do it. And some are good, some are not so good. Thumbs up. People, 201 points. We have 201 thumbs ups with 1,000 watching. Pathetic. Get those thumbs ups in gear. Aaron, I got to say thank you for encouraging my viewers in your subtle way to get them to give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. We're now at 310 thumbs up, so that worked, and I thank you for your help. And I thank all of you giving my show a thumbs up. Thank you. I've also noticed a change in people. I used to see a lot more ego. People would value themselves via their job. Now they just look at work as a thing to get done efficiently and move on to life. It's kind of a European thing, actually. Kitchen bag equals $40. Lawn leaf bag equals $80. No low borrowers. I know what I have. That's how much gas that is. I don't know. Cody, so cool. I'm slowly working towards my trip there. Sooner or later, friends in Nagoya. Do you deliver gas in a bag? Colin, do you take Dogecoin for gas in a bag? Yes, but I use the gas in the bags for gas, so you may get less than you're expecting. Love to 100% work from home. Hope it stays that way. Right on. Damn, says Derek. Lance, do you have snack size bags with gas in it? Work travel nowadays in pandemic kitchen delivering room. There you go. That's a good commute. 176.75 on the GameStop shares right now. Wing Commander, there are benefits when spending some time on the road. Gives me time to think and follow the whole GameStop saga. Also helps keep the relationship fresh. Yes, there's some folks who must get away from the other for a while, for a few hours, just to, allow each side to let off some steam and just relax and gather their thoughts. And, however it works, I understand. Sometimes you work from home and one partner goes for a walk and then comes back and they have a little nibble to eat, and then the other partner goes for a walk or does some errands with the car, picks up some groceries, come back, and there's ways to work it. But again, it's all up to you, folks. You have to figure it out. I just like the idea of having the freedom to figure it out. I like that. Cheers, everybody, from Stock Markets with Bruce. Uncle Bruce in Creston saying
that was easy.
That was easy. 176.14 on GameStop. 1547 on IPOE, and 1385 on AMC. Whisper to us, Daddy. Whisper to us. Just saw on Super Stock, Taiwan Stock Exchange, wiped out year-to-date gains. Very strange. I see margin calling in very, very near future. Soren, with both pros and cons, I decided to be self-employed nearly 20 years ago, and I've made a set up in Asia where I'm fortunate enough to be able to work only a week every month. Now, there you go. There's a setup right there. Beautiful. Nobody wants to live in Tucson, Arizona, Bruce. Nobody. There's a really neat airplane museum there. Went to that a few years ago. Really enjoyed that. Tucson, Arizona. Nice golf courses in Tucson too. Drew, I hope everyone gets exactly what they want out of life thanks to these stonks. Colin, Ziploc bags, snack bags, $2, a sandwich bag, $5, quart, $10, gallon, $20. There's your gas prices right there. Observe thyself. I'm selling frozen gas pops for $5 each. Gas pops, thank you. Oh man, Cody, Ashley, awesome. I hope you can make it out here soon. Love Nagoya and getting fat on Misku Katsu and Asahi, whatever that is. Eddie, Wing Commander Saga, it is true. Social relation and traveling is something nice that I've missed. Let's see. One positive that came out of this pandemic experience is companies forced to work from home, and it works out. There you go. Tony, Colin, I got dime bags if you need any. My gosh, hey Tony, I just need a small fix. Something small. They'll take 2 pills. Oh man. Where do I sign up? I can fetch you coffee. Sounds like a pretty good deal. I'll email you some. Wait for that volume spike. 176.25 right now is where we're at. I have a wicker basket full of premium 93. Bidding starts right now. How much for an ice cube tray filled with gasoline? I'm cooking some Blue Crystal in my RV. Diversify my income stream. There it is. I saw it on a TV show once. I had an in and out yesterday. Drew, you're killing me. Colin, 50 cents an ice cube for frozen gas. There you go. Lance, you got it. Oh, man. Dan, am I the only one that feels like something is off with Bruce this afternoon? I hope all's well, Bruce. Let's get him some thumbs up. Bruce is hanging in there. Bruce is just a little tired, I think. Bruce is working 7 days a week right now, and he's just trying to work it out. He's got 4 shows to do today. This is show 2 of 4. So he knows he has a long day ahead of him yet. 176.89. I'm talking about Bruce in the third person. I'm actually Bruce. Hi, everybody. I'm Bruce. 176.64 on GameStop. It looks like it's kind of hanging around getting ready for another shot. I wonder if that's happening. We've got 35 minutes to go before the day is done. We got the Dow at 58, S&P up 14.7, NASDAQ up down 96. These markets are down, not up, but they're not like really bad. They're just down a little. Cody Miles, an RV in Tokyo. Oh my God. Aaron, GameStop has had a run after run today. Up, consolidate. Yep. That seems to be it. It's 2 steps up, 1 step down, 2 steps up. Yeah, here we go. Uncle Bruce, oil rig counts are down. Shale, oil, sands, and other production has been reduced in many cases. Some, like Goldman Sachs, are predicting the largest demand jump ever over the next 6-12 months. I don't know. Maybe there'll be a bit of a run on it, but there's oil everywhere. There is so much shut-in oil that is ready to come online the minute it's needed. And then there's overseas oil all you want. I just don't see a shortage. No way. No way, no how. But, it is 66 something. I better have some kids quick. Bitcoin is getting coherent as a wet potato. Biden is getting as coherent as a wet potato. More money for GameStop. There you go. 176.76 coming on again. I promise you. I promise if you have 4 kids, you're spending more than $1,000 a month taking care of them. I agree with that. About to sublet my kids right now. Name calling solves no problems. There you go, Drew. Lance, a move into Albuquerque to meet up with one of my old students. Right on. Tori, hi, Bruce. I hope you and Jen had a very nice weekend. Congrats again on 45 years. That's a wonderful accomplishment. Well, all year long now, it'll be our 45th anniversary again and again and again because, December 1, August 1, we moved in together 45 years ago, in our first apartment. And, that kind of thing. But, it's all good. 176.96 was a great weekend, and we really enjoyed it. 176.98 on GameStop. Looks like it's taking a run at 177 again. I think the child tax credit is a great idea. I am single with no kids, but the children are our future, and it's terrible not to deal with child poverty. I agree. I think that, those single moms in the inner cities parents with kids in the burbs, I don't care where the kids are, what the situation is. This is great. You have kids, you're spending a lot of dough, and that adds to the economy. And I like it. Throw a pizza on a roof or two, says Cody. Fresh and free. Usually everything is spent on them. Laughing out loud. Wet Potato is saying, Aaron, that's rude. Derek, can you part-time adopt children? Just kind of get them for the write-off and then give them away again. I don't know if that's possible. I don't know. Lance, Cody Miles, well played. Soren, Jane Doe, it's also sometimes stressful when not having orders in other months. I have 4 phone calls and 7 mails. Job done for several months. There are surely pros and cons in everything we do. There you have it. Ashley, Lance, an RV in Tokyo seems like a tree in Brooklyn. Aaron, oh my God, I did not know someone had that moniker. Stephen, Bruce, if I hold an option contract on IPOE, do they carry over after merger as SoFi? Yes, they just changed, the name just changes. Everything else stays exactly the same. Yeah. So if you got one contract, 7, 12, 15, 200, it's all identical, just a new name. That's all it is. Starting Monday, next week, in 2 weeks. Yeah. Derek, I think it's called kidnapping. There you go. Free thinker, 51 to 1. Like-dislike ratio, we can do better. Tony, Derek Foster would be the way. Aaron, Wet Potato, laughing out loud. Derek, wondering if you can rent kids. Pauling, now I just changed it, laughing out loud. VGAC is broken. Oh, it's $9.97. That's where I see it. Laughing out loud, Stephen. Thank you. Yes, Uncle UPS forgot the thumbs up. Does anyone know? Does anyone? If Bruce has gone over our stock requests from last week when he asked us to send him stocks, like in research and broader? I have not done that. I've kind of got them over here, but I've kind of stopped on it. Be kind of following the rest of it here. 177.30 right now, up 17.38, going up through 177 to 178 again. There's actually a yoga studio RV in my neighborhood out here. Wow, that's interesting. A yoga studio RV. Ashley, smile. Derek, I was thinking like adopt a teenager from July to January. Go ahead and smash your keyboard, giving Uncle Bruce the thumbs, please. How are we doing on thumbs ups? We've got 507 thumbs ups. Thank you for that. 12 thumbs downs. Keep them coming in, folks. Appreciate it. 177.91. on GameStop, just up $17.99 on the day. And 178.88 is a high. So we're less than 90 cents from the high of the day here. Very good day here on GameStop. I love this. Aaron, I believe this was Michael's idea. Thumbs, thank you, everybody. Soren, I'm sure there's a lot of pressure when the work isn't coming in. I hope GameStop hits it so big we can all retire. Michael says, not me. Hey, you, click the thumbs ups already. There you go. Yeah, you out there, hit those thumbs ups for Bruce. And you, says Dan. Someone put him in a real computer today. Sorry. Let's see what else is. GameStop, 10 million. Let's first break through 180, though. 178.46. We are 20, 30, 40 cents away from the high of the day here. We're right there, 178.88. And we're just about at the high of the day right now. There it is, 178.84. And we're going to go through that, maybe to 179 now. Maybe we'll take a shot at 180. Let's see what happens. Can we break it? 178.99 right now. Going through there, 179.19, right through 179. That was easy. We're going for 180 right now on GameStop. How long has it been since we've been to 180? Does anyone remember? I don't think we've been to 180 for a while, has it? 180. Wow. I think, oh my gosh, it's been since about April the 6th or 7th. Back in April, early April, since we've been at 180. So we're at the highest level since, early April now. Wow, that's really something. We were at 194 on March 30. 180s, mid 180s, early April. So, but while I'm talking about that, it's 177.62. So maybe I jinxed it. I don't know. We'll see. I don't think I did. Anyway, there you have it. Just trying to get to 180 here on the day. Will it do it? High of 179.44. So needs to take a little consolidation and take another run at it. But something tells me it wants to do it today. Let's do it. Laugh out loud. Clean your phone, Bruce. That was quick thinking. Jane Doe, that would be just brilliant. Being able to create more jobs in rural areas, which is my current kick and have been so for 15 years plus. How horrible to know 2/3 of the world is poor. Phones have more germs than toilet seat. I think GameStop just got excited. This the disguise has hurt my brain. I don't know. Hit the thumbs up or Yoko will be back. Don't want Yoko back. Soren, those hedge funds and others with trillions in any currency, I cannot believe how they're able to look themselves in the mirror, maybe down 1 cent correct every time they look. I don't know. I just, you do what you do. Headlines tomorrow: GameStop fails to reach 180 on slow day. Marv Albert going to take a bit of retirement here. Soren, you and me both. I would love to set up better education, healthy grocery stores, free childcare. Didn't think I was after too much. Cody, I see what you did there. Both side of working at home. Silver and Gold had an incredible day. Any thoughts? No thoughts. This little maneuver is going to make me work 50 more years. Let's go GameStop. Laughing out loud. Shut down. Go Bruce. We're at 27 minutes to go for the day. The Dow is down 59. S&P down 14. Nasdaq down 84. GameStop 177.90. Well, it's a good day today. Thank you, Aaron. Let's see. And you don't even own a dog. It's like watching GameStop go up in slow motion, isn't it? Well, that's what it is. Good afternoon. How can I miss you if you don't leave? Jay Hobbs, why is SVAC stock price stuck? What have I missed? What is it, Bruce? Tell me what's going on, and you better be right. I don't know. Where is it? It's at 990. It's just kind of flatlining. Oh, it's being held there. I think there's a pending announcement. There's something coming. Just stand by. Don't get worried too much. Gregory, talk about egos. Those managers that were previously bullies must be really suffering alone at home. You got to wonder. Wally, thumbs up for Bruce, Uncle Bruce, Jen, so she could feed his tummy, or she could feed his tummy. Thank you, everybody, for all your support. Hi, Bruce. We are on we're on a creep to 500 a share, finally, and that magic stock split. Laugh out loud. I don't know I know nobody that can know, but hey, wishful thinking. That's right. Maybe we are going to 500 a share. Split 10 for one, and then go to another 500 a share. How about that? That's 5,000 a share. 177.53, up 17.61. All right. Did you say AMC over 14? All my calls in the monies. AMC is 13.94, so it's kind of there, but just hasn't been able to get to 14 and stay above it very long, has it? It just kind of gets there and kind of backs up. Hell yeah, Soren. My only issue with working from home is everybody's here all the time. Sometimes I need silence. You send them on errands. You give the kids a quarter, send them to Dairy Queen for half an hour, maybe an hour. Aaron, love the desserts outside of the deserts outside of Tucson. The city, though, is liberal as hell. Oh, man. Hi, Uncle B. I want to thank you. My coworker showed me your channel. Now my money is doing something instead of making the bank rich. Thanks also, Marco. Yeah, well, good stuff. This is good stuff. 177.06 on GameStop. 177.19. Going higher. Let's make money. Jane, Tony, how you doing? Derek, when working from home, how do you play Xbox and attend Zoom meetings at the same time? Now, these are skills you have to learn. They don't come the first day. This takes a bit of experience. I'm late, but I have to get drinks for this wild days, listening while I drive. Right on. This is the way, says Aaron. My average on GameStop is 176.52. I'm going to sell and wait a few days until it drops down to the 140s and get back in. Well, do whatever you like. 176.75. Jane saying hi, Tony saying Jane. We'll talk about the Boeing graveyard. Oh, no, I was not about that, but it's near that. But I was talking about the museum, the Aeronautical Museum in Tucson. It's pretty cool. It's really neat jets there. There is no lakes or rivers in Tucson or green trees. Carlos, best part of the gasoline bags is huffing the vapors after you pour them out. Oh my! I'm not going to brag, but I have an actual blanket of lumber. Y'all be jealous. Drive safe, Dustin from Reserves Thyself. I'm a simple man. I see Bruce. I press like. There it is. YOY says, "Let's." Hi, Bruce. Hang in there, Bruce. Thank you. All desert used to be UOA, and now they're in Phoenix, I believe. Bill, strange how when your stock shoots up, it puts a spring in your step, right? Come on, people, give those thumbs ups to Bruce. It was the 46th anniversary weekend celebration, so it's understandable to be tired. 7 days a week, certified freak. Bill, yes, beautiful green day. It's still waiting for the glitch. We will get Yoko tonight if we don't reach 1,500 likes, right? I mean, we don't want that. A good day is like a little on the way to 1,000. Please, God, no more Yoko. MSM needs the sheeple to be leaving upright. The people. I pay $1,000 a month just for daycare. Oh, my God. I wonder what the Aunt Jen's favorite stock or SPAC picks are. Midas Whale, Midas, give Bruce thumbs ups. Might as well give Bruce a donation. Might as well make it a great day. Midas Whale, thank you so much, Midas Whale. That's a wonderful donation today. I appreciate that. Every donation makes a difference, and I appreciate it. Really nice of you to do so. 176.54, 176.73. Well, there we are. What's going to happen? The richest country in the world and 4 million kids starving. Minus Whale, bringing it nice. Thank you so much. Working from home is very nice. Saving a lot of money just on not traveling to work. It adds up, guys. Jane, woot, high donation for this afternoon. Absolutely. That's 512,104.34 dong. Ashley, who said freak? I resemble that remark. Free thinker, that's a lot of dong. Freddie, thank you. $150 GameStop call option for $6.25. I bought it while the stock was dipping, and it's doubled in value now. So what do I do now? Sell, hold. What do I do? Oh my God. You're running out of time in 8 days, or is that right? $6.25 doesn't expire in $6.25. Today's the 17th. It's Monday. Anyway, you're doing all right. 177.61, going higher. Looks like. So I'm happy. I am lurking. Alex says exercise. Let's all tell stupid jokes to get Bruce laughing. That way he'll forget he's working. This isn't work. This is fun. I heard freak. They do wine. 179. Let's go to 179. Woot woot. Please break 180. This is when we were at the 180. This is a little while ago. I'm behind you guys. You guys are ahead of me right here. We were all excited about 179. We're so close. We're so close. We're so close. Okay. Thank you, Ruined Lands, holding, adding FAII, GORS, SVAC, and VJC. Can I find news on when mergers might happen, or is that radio silence till then? Thanks for your show. Yeah, it's close. Like, it's really close. These are, days and weeks away from all happening here. So just stand by. It's so close. That spring was not my step. I was stationed at Davis Monthan in Tucson 30 years ago. I like going out to the boneyard for spare parts. Right on. And where are we at right now? 177.82 right now. 177.82. I have a friend sold this morning around 170. Great sadness enters his life. Sell before the ivy crushes you. Okay. GameStop current stock price 170.85, which is a lot of dong. That's a lot of dong per share, isn't it? I saw lots of rattlesnakes there. You need better friends. 180 edging. Danger noodles. Observe thyself. Your friend may no longer see Sheila. Okay. 177.60. We are 20 minutes to the close, and we're trying to make money today. The Dow is down 72. S&P down 15, and NASDAQ down 87. It was closer to the break-even line, but it's backed off a bit. Maybe there's one last rally in the day. I don't know. Looking at the options chain for Friday on GameStop, if we hit 200 by then, it's going to get juicy. Yes, I would say it would get juicy if we hit 200 by then. I'm glad he did it. It was part of his wedding money. I don't know what that means. Ruin Lands, new member. Thank you, Ruin Lands. First a donation, now joining as a member. This is awesome. Thank you very much for coming on board and sharing your membership with us. But coming on in here, I love it. This is fantastic. Arizona has 13 rattlesnake species, and 80% of rattlesnake bites are when foolish people mess with them. There you go. Don't mess with no rattlesnakes. Welcome, Ruin Lands. Welcome to the channel. Nice of you to join us. I did some research and found the moon is not made of cheese. Need some other snack ideas for upcoming trip. Any suggestions? Help us out. Observe myself. A wedding money. I would get married at the courthouse and keep the shares. Welcome, Bill Allen. 177 with 6 million volume. Image 25 million volume. Imagine if it does 25 million. That's right. Welcome, Ruin. Oh, there's Ruin Lands. Welcome everyone, and welcome to Ruin Lands. 177.58. It's kind of hanging around. Will it take a 180 shot? We're down to 18 minutes. Will it hold this level? Break 180 before the close? Hold it? Not hold it? The questions, the worries, the wonders. 177.81. We all wonder what's happening here. I tried to chime in between my weightlifting sets. Says Bama Babe. Right on. Thyself right. All right. Combos are a good road trip snack. Combos are a good road trip snack. Bands. Bama Babe, get in those reps. If she allows you to sell your GameStop for a wedding, she ain't the one, bro. She ain't the one. If she's making you sell your stock, observe thyself. No doubt. Absolutely right. Babe getting buff. The babe is getting buff. Maybe we close with just 7 million volume today. Maybe 177.81 here. What is our volume right now? 177.99 on 6.3 million. Yeah, 177.99. That's the 178. Just touched it right now. Trying to get through 178 like butter.
That was easy.
178.04. We're through it. We're going higher. That was easy. We're down 78 on the Dow, down 15 on S&P, down 83 on S&P. Okay. Free Thinker, 170.25. Thank you for this donation of $4.99 in British pounds. Hi from Scotland, Brucey. Thank you, Robert Smith from Scotland. So nice of you to make that generous donation. Tico, $2.99 donation. I'm bringing bananas on the trip. Well, there you go. Free Thinker McJones, laugh in Scotland. Oh, yes, so nice to have a green day. Love these donations, and thank you for joining us as becoming members. 178.42, 178.55, going higher. We're at the high of the day right now, guys. Don't know if you know this. We were at 179.44, actually 179.44, 178.66. We're going higher. We might hit a new high. We might just do that. We're coming on. We're at 15 minutes to go on the day, and we're coming in with some volume and movement. Rabbit, you are the one. They shout out the webcomic. I still follow. Bama, babe, can you do a few extra sets for me? What are we working today? I love Scotland, says Beinhold. These gains are on such thin volume. It's a great sign. David, is it double? It's double? Then sell half. What's left is free. Then figure what your new point is. 178.39. Come on, GameStop. AMC touched 14 again. It got to 14 right now. Colin, $4.99 in pounds is 162,628.48 dong. So that's a lot of dong right there. Thank you. Thanks for the dong, guys. Eric, up 10% on GameStop with no news. Nothing to see here. Retail investors are always wrong anyways. Screw it. Are we drinking? J. Ray laughing. A red ginger snaps is drinking. Bama, Jane Doe, arms. I'm doing the arms right now. 178.50 on the stock. We're at 13.97 on GameStop on AMC. Unfortunately, back under 14. 15.53 on IPOE. Gores Holdings 11.14. VGAC holding at 9.97. So many dongs. That was funny, Bruce. Colin, resident dong expert here. That is a hefty dong donation. I haven't seen a green day in so long. I thought the market was just here for me to lose money every day. Fair I don't think so. Free Thinker, my body is not ready, and you better be right, says Dana. I would love to see a 10% pop after hours. It could be in some buying for tomorrow morning. That's true. If GameStop is at 180 at any given point, and a person feels that it may go up, so they can put in for a $1,000 limit order not to miss profits, can this be done? If not, why? I don't. It's up to each individual brokerage firm to decide that, allowable or not. Colin, here with my long dong update. Bruce, can you read my comment on here? Thank you. Hee. I don't know. Is it worthy of a read, or is it obscene, or what's going on? Or did I just do that? Colin, if it's all the same with you guys and girls, I'm not going to get a shirt made with Dong Expert on it. I'm if you don't mind. There you go. Me too. No drinking for me. I'll have a switch. I have to switch to La Croix on power hours. Okay. If you haven't been to Scotland, you have to put it on your bucket list. I agree with that. That's on my bucket list. Jan wants to go bad. Jan really wants to go to Scotland bad. Buy and hold. Boom. Dan, I think a lot of people are standing by with money set aside to buy GameStop when this starts to run up. Well, it's 180.04 right now, 180.25. Like butter, it went through 80.
That was easy.
That was easy. It went right through it. Buy and hold. You've been showered in dongs. Colin, smiling, 180 high. We're going to do it. Tap the 180, woot, 180, wee, don't say shower. 180. It sounds like I'm sensing a theme of happiness. Just saying, just getting the theme that maybe, he's a dong whisperer. 180, is this real? This is fun. Yay, 180. 180, babes, 180.38, 180. We did it. We went through the 180 mark with 13 minutes to go. Now, can we hold it? Long dong silver, 180.39. Only read this comment if you don't see it. There you go. Broke 180. Butter.
That was easy.
That was easy. T-shirt with dong dealer or dong trader. 180. Boom. Dude, 180. I was focused on the dong. Bama babe. The Roberts do Scotland. Way to go. We're going through, and hopefully we go much, much higher. We got up to 180.40, and right now 179.98. Right now, up $20 on the day. Zzz, there you go. Zzz, Houston, we're rolling. Woohoo, like butter or like gravy. I wasn't expecting this price action. This is nice. I want one of those last dip, one more shares. Went through the sell wall. What sell wall? Exactly. There is no sell wall. It just went right through it. I really hope we close in the green today, guys. Showered in dongs. What the hey? Let's see. In the meantime, words of Mike Myers. If it's not Scottish, it's crap. That is correct. FOMO Peep Show in the morning. Gotta say, Uncle Bruce kept me sane during the craze during the last 3 months. Highly informative. Great stories. Story time this Friday, Uncle Bruce. $10 a month, well spent. Thank you, Uncle B. Thank you, Wing Commander. I do the best I can. If I can save you guys thousands of dollars from making mistakes, I pay for myself, of course. That means more for you. 180.07, we're up again. Past 180 again. Let's go. We're down to 11 minutes, and you're up $20 a share. 80.10. 180.10. People like the 180 because we've been told since January it's a $10 stock. Right, Derek Collin, you got me crying over here. Please get a Dong Expert shirt, then wear it in the appropriate parade. Rock and roll. This isn't even the squeeze when it all starts. Monthly options expire this week. Oh boy. 180 a share equals 4,148,460 Dong per share. That's pretty good stock. 181.35. We're going higher. Long duck dong. Do I hear the phone ring? A margin calling. We're going higher. We're going higher. The margin calls for the short sellers are ringing. We wonder. That's a lot of dong to share. Ping dong daddle. How about this? We're at 180.97. Andrew, that's one trip I'd go on. Scotland and Ireland are my two most favorite places to visit. Then Canada's in third. How would Yoko say dong? I don't know. 180 Florida would be nice. Yay, finally. Brandon Boyle has joined us as a new member today. Another new member. Welcome, Brandon. 181.16. We're going higher right now. We're down to 9 minutes to go, Brandon, and you are joining right at the high of the day. We are flying here. Looking good. Free thinker. We could all use extra dong in our back pockets. There you go. 6.68 million shares today. And that stock is a rolling 181.65, and I think we're at the high of the day right now. 181, right about this range, right around the high right now. Very good movement here. $14 on AMC. How many dongs on in a baby power hour? Uncle Bruce turned my paper hands into diamond. Welcome, Brandon. Dong donations, just a tip. Welcome. Is it Friday yet? Welcome, Brandon. But I love mistakes. Let's go. Come on, 183. How about that? 181.44 right now. Wing Commander, same here. 18. We're moving up. We're moving up. I set my Yahoo app to dong, and it refuses to change it for me. It says dong, but shows American dollars. 180. Oh my, that's a new high. You could save 90% or more by subscribing to Bruce. 180. Go. The 180 unlocked me back in the chat. Oh, there's Brandon. 181.53, 181.78. We're running here. Looking good. Come on, man. Let's go. We're running here. We're down to 9 minutes now. Best green power hour in a while. 180.186. It's jumping. Nothing wrong with holding dong. Wrote some GameStop calls and bought more VGAC. There you go. Higher and higher. Here we go. Bruce, adult daycare is open. I'm back. Brandon saying I'm back. Paul Newman in the color of money. 181.89. 182 now. That's the new high of the day. It's 7 minutes to go. 182. Woohoo! No attacks. Doesn't look like it. You're welcome, everybody. I woke up. I didn't care about the price, and look what it does. Oh my God! I feel like I'm in a middle school class right now. Damn, so much green. I thought I was weed. We need dong emojis. Why did the skeleton cross the road? Oh boy. I don't know. I don't want to know. Oh wait. Why didn't the skeleton cross the road? Oh no. Oh no. The jokes keep coming. Because he didn't have the guts. You see? Just to be clear, we'll not take payment in dong for bags of gas. Partsia, it's good bagel fun, family fun here. Come on, 190, 182 on the stock, 182.27. We're rolling. It's looking good. Shorts are too busy covering BTC drop. Thanks, Elon. Stock Market with Bruce, 80% nonsense, 20% educational, 100% enjoyment. Does 181.99 mean that the $10 analysis is still wrong? Glacier Capital notified their investors that they have moved to a short position on GameStop at 167 last week. What a move that was. Whoops, 182.03. Keep going. Squeeze them out. Let's go. 182 and rising. Let's go. Oh, yes, we are rolling volcanoes. Come on, 183. 182.24 right there. Let's go. Elon playing them edgies. Let's go, GameStop. Bruce the auctioneer. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Red ginger snaps. The weather, crazy weather here in Texas. The more GameStop goes up, the darker it gets, and the winds pick up. It's weird. 182.27. We love it. We love it. We love it. The Dow down 65. S&P down 12. NASDAQ down 67. 15.52 on IPOE. $14 on AMC right now. That's what we got. Whatever said they were selling. Ouch. Ouch. Everyone's dollars are growing. My ears just popped. Too soon. Too soon to type up my notice. 180, 181, 180, 185. Currency conversion is no joke. My average is about 185. And when and we are off to the races. Hold on tight for a wild ride. I love this chart. What? I just checked randomly. And what? Nope. You definitely want to have it ready. Go, baby. Here we go. It's that was easy. What a great final hour. Yeah, direct from Canada in lieu of the pipeline. Bagged gas because cartons would never do it. There you go. Red ginger. That's God sending Margie for the hedgies. Yeah, combos are great on the road trip, especially if you like your sweet swelling up like bags of gas. 180, 185 to 182 right now on GameStop. Volume on the day, 6.9 million. We're into the last 5 minutes of the day right now, and we are doing great. We're moving sideways here. This is the Power Hour. Squeeze, baby. Mark Cuban Twitter post plus shorters focused on keeping AMC down equals nice run on GameStop. Dave Portnoy has just thrown his full backing to Safe Moon. Thankfully, I've been in from the beginning. Jacked. Where do the emojis go? Red Ginger Snaps GME is whipping up a whirlwind. I pray harder. Darn dang hedgies. Thunderstorms the next week. Did you see that the house got hit by a tornado for the second time in 2 years? And they had just sold the house. Oh, my gosh. 182.19. Cowbell. By the end of the day, the shooters will only have another 100 million shares to buy to cover, or shorters. Morningstar upgraded GameStop to 182.25. Here we go. I lived in D.C. and went to the Hirshhorn, where there's a peace tree where you pull a blank tag, write your wish, and place it on the tree's branches. At the end of the month, they're all sent to Yoko. Oh, okay. Jane Doe, oh my God. Jane Doe, no, I had not to watch the news. How lucky they just sold it. Neat Diamonds, 180, 180.92. Can you give samples of what kind of call contracts you consider writing right now? I'd be looking at 200s for next week, Friday. Be looking at maybe 210s, 220s for the Friday after that. I'd be pulling the string on these. Dave Portnoy is a loser. I hate that dude. Neat. Avoid the Portnoy. Portnoy is hilarious. We're down 51 on the Dow, and we're down 11 on S&P. NASDAQ down 61. We're down to 3 minutes to go in the day here, the last 3-4 minutes, and we're sitting on 180, 13, 180, 14. Great day on GameStop. Just a great day, no matter what it does here. $20 on the upside. It's been as high as 182. Or so would appear. High of the day, 182.50. What a day today on GameStop. Nice little move. Fighting to close at 180. One bite. Everybody knows the rules. I've started limiting my news consumption about an hour a day. I wonder if they can get out of the contract since they haven't taken possession yet. Oh, you can buy this. You can buy a contract back anytime and rewrite new ones, or just sit tight. Whatever you want. If you haven't been exercised, you can buy your contract back. 180.33, you're fine. It's all looking good. Dogs are taking shelter in my office. Portnoy's a schmuck. It's good at reviewing pizza. Brandon Boyle to go to Instagram and watch the video. It's all in. Let's see. Pizza reviews are great, but the whiny stock chat is horrible. Jane, most of the news is garbage. Jane, depends on how much contract is structured. 180 plus looks good on tickers. Good one. Red Richard snaps smiling. The battle for 180 is real. We're down to 2 minutes. 180.12, 180.33. We're down to 2:39 to go on the day, and GameStop is up $20, 29 cents. on the day. AMC 13.95, just can't seem to hold 14. I called 180. There you go. I like Purple Bagel Days. Hard to do those pizza reviews with those paper hands. I give a guy a break. He really made a good business from hustling. Yipers, Courtney was the best man at Jim Cramer's wedding. Hey, Bruce, can you explain how soon your stock would be assigned if the share price passes your strike price? It might not be for days, weeks. It might not be assigned at all for a while. If there are hundreds or thousands of call options out there of your in open interest that exist, yours might not be called for quite some time. So just, don't expect to be taken out during the run. It might be at the very end if you don't do anything about it. 180.20 on GameStop right now. We're down to a minute something, minute 40 to go. That's what's happening on That's I love all you guys. 8% more. The hell with Portnoy. A long list of reasons why he's not a good person. He's the worst investor. I don't need Portnoy. Stick to embarrassing yourself with your sports analysis. Okay, Tony. Portnoy did help hundreds of small businesses during COVID by raising $15 million for them. There you go. Forensic markets did nothing today. Guess some are still fatigued after last week's craziness. The Dow's down 42 points. S&P down 10. NASDAQ down 57. And the stock is 180.32 for GameStop. Woohoo! Good question. Paper hand Portnoy. Let's go. GameStop gamers. It's going to fly last minute. Michael Bray just released his holdings from March, only SPAC VACQ. You talked about AT&T merger. What stock did we buy to benefit AT&T? I don't know. I've just been watching this. I don't know where all this hate for Portnoy is coming from. He likes the stock and hates hedgies, just like we do. Portnoy is the guy who bought millions of dollars of stock at an all-time high, then immediately sold at the dip. How is this guy in charge of even $500 store credit card? Broker $19.99 donation to this channel. Thank you. I might be crazy, but you are beautiful. Thanks, boss and crew. Thank you. Is holding VACQ, 5.5 million worth. Michael Burry, Big Shorts, holding VACQ. Brandon, where are we at now? 1 minute. We're closing up right now. We're closing. The backed out of GameStop when all the bad press came out. He's a deaf paper hands. Uncle Bruce got me through this bad times. Decade of experience. Portnoy too emotional. 180.50 on the bell here. We're going through the bell right now. 180.65. Watching the close. 180.50. Excuse me. 180.73. We are finalizing these trades here. 150.80 and 180.50. Excuse me. We're doing very well. Leave Brittany alone. No big dips today. Is that a sign this end could be near? Usually when it's green light that falls off a cliff at some point. Nothing happened today. No one's selling. We're done. 180.50, 180.60. Woohoo! We're looking good. Zit, 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 zit. We're looking good. I'm not blowing smoke here. We're looking very nice. We're looking very, very good on the day. Aftermarket right now, 180.33. And we're traded already at 5,400 in the aftermarket. How about that? What a nice day today, everybody. Up $20.59. You got to like that. The final close on AMC, $13.91, gained 93 cents. That was all right. $15.48 on IPOE, up 54 cents. Nice day again. Thank you very much, everybody. I think some of you are getting richer today. I think some of you are actually richer today, and I'm very pleased to see that and notice this. I'm very happy of you. Very, very, very nice. I called 180. Haha, woohoo, neat. May need to get back into VGAQ, but Blurry is always 6 months early. It's looking good. 180.
That was easy.
180 was easy today. How about all that activity? GameStop volume came in at 7.2 million. Not bad. Not like incredibly crazy. Light day, good move. Yeah, I like it. 180. Love the 180 print on the New York Exchange. That does look good. The Dow lost 54 points. S&P down 10. NASDAQ down 51. Neat. Oh, very good. Very, very good day today. Woohoo. Nothing but up for GameStop. Well, let's hope so. And no announcement. Maybe we'll get an announcement tomorrow about a new CEO or who knows. We haven't seen a thing. No news announcement from the company whatsoever. And it went up nicely today. So, kids, not bad, huh? Not bad. Pretty good. Hi, y'all. Tomorrow we're going to 200, maybe. I don't know about that. VACQ backed by Burry and Bruce. I think I'm sold. VACQ is closing at $10 on the nose on the market. It's at $10 in the aftermarket. Traded 951,000. Rocket Lab and Vector. Yep, this is going to be Rocket Lab. Burry likes Rocket Lab to the tune of millions. So Kind of tells you something. Hedges could be pumping to take the heat off AMC. You wonder, I don't know. A 1 shekel equals some 7,000 dong. How about that? Wonder what brought the buyers on GameStop today. What did it? I don't know, but we're happy they did. They're more than welcome to jump in here. I think my screen is broken. Everything is green. Something's not right. So after all the politics, in the end, it turned out to be a great day. Thanks, guys, for the good spirit. Well, we try. We're not bad people. We just hope for a better world. Watching Uncle Bruce for the last 2 months every day. My baby daughter was born yesterday, and to celebrate, we had a nice increase on GameStop. Well, there you go. How about that? Is that all right? That's pretty good. The up 12% on low volume as well. Amazing day. I hope high volume in the morning. 200 is doable, maybe. Congrats on the baby. Right, I'll drink to 200. Yeah, who wouldn't drink to that? Thanks, Calvin. Bama Babe. Cha-ching! One thing that is predictable is that GameStop on a day-to-day basis is unpredictable. That is predictably unpredictable. Alex, congrats. Rocket Lab is literally going to the moon, so let's get in on this ship, guys. There you go. Good question, Bama Babe. I got to say, Uncle B talked me off the selling ledge last week when pre-market futures were in a shambles. Thanks. Saved me from making a bad decision. There you go, guys. So happy about this. Probably also from that hedge fund that they entered the new short positions. Congrats, Alex. GameStop apes read that and went, oh, yeah, watch this. Dan Hammer. Wow, look at this. Dan, thank you. $50 donation today. Thank you for all you do, Bruce. Let's get to the moon so we can all board our cruise ship together. Well, there you go. There's some potential cruise ship money coming in there for us. Thank you so much, Dan, and all of you who are kind enough to support yours truly. I'm just thrilled when these stocks go up. I get so giddy for you. I love it. Make it happen. Get richer. This is the beginning. Just hard work making them cover. Alex, have more kids. Congratulations, Alex. Just in time to get your government money. Yep, government money. That's right. Way to go. Cheers. Here, she gets one every once in a while. Go gears. Instead of the knee emoji, can we get the iki patang zoom jingle emoji, please? Troy heard Jake. Alex, did you make her name her Bruce? You should name her Gemma. Yeah, Gemma. No. Congratulations on getting on her name GameStop. Did you name your baby daughter Brucina? Oh no. Bruce needs to wear that green shirt more until it's $10 million a share. That's what Bruce has to do. Oh, Alex has his mojo. Alex, Dan Hammer, nice one. Observe thyself. So that was a nice donation you made there. And I thank you. Ruin Lance, Alex, congrats. Keep your chin up this year. Lots of amazing moments and lots of tough times. Ones to come. She'll repay you for your work 100 times over. Heading to get some beers. Hell of a day, I guess. If it was a boy, I would have named him Bruce. Did someone say the only thing that doesn't change is change? Alex, congrats. Here we are. Congratulations, Alex. Congrats. Beautiful. Dan Hammer. Wowzer, biggest donation of the day. I think it's the number one donation, isn't it? I can't remember. Congrats, Alex. Might have been some naked call options. Might have been some naked call options from Friday. Had some key levels broken, 150 and floating around 160 after the market. Everybody start having babies, 12% increase per baby, and then we're on the moon soon. Enjoy your story. Alex, congrats on doing stuff to your wife. Get those thumbs ups so Yoko doesn't show up with her polka band. Uncle Bruce, great content. When is the market and when the market is slow? Story time. How are we doing for thumbs ups here? We've got 778. Oh, I might have to get Yoko out here. We got to get to 1,000. I mean, this is crazy. We have 1,500 people watching. Only 779 thumbs ups. We need more. 784. Yoko, are you around?
That was easy.
I could get Yoko in here in a minute's notice. We could get her singing that Uncle Bruce polka medley anytime. 799 thumbs up. 810. Thank you. 190 to go, and we're at 1,000 thumbs ups. Keep them coming in, guys, and we'll keep Yoko out of here. But boy, otherwise we got to get Yoko in here. We got to beef this up. What can I say? Oh my gosh, what can I tell you? So much fun. Let's see what's going on. What is happening here? What are we at now? 828 thumbs ups. Keep them coming. 833. Yoko, you might not be needed. We're at 836 thumbs up. If we can get it to 1,000, you're not coming in this room. 836 on the thumbs up. 839. They're trickling in. Not sure if they're coming in fast enough. I don't know if it's going to work. 842. We'll keep an eye on this. Oh, Alex, the gender doesn't matter. Bruceus, new Tesla coming out with new econo car called Doge. Can't wash the green shirt either. I also credit the green shirt. No one has the superstitions here. It's all good. We need a Yoko emoji. There are known unknowns. That is to say, there are things that we know we don't know, but there are also unknown unknowns. There are things we don't know we don't know. Alex, your daughter was named Yoko, right? Congrats too. So you're going with Jen. Welcome to the 180 Club. I better be on the moon with that population bubble. This guy, this guy, whatever. What can I say? I'm an overachiever. Congrats to all you wonderful GameStop people. Aftermarket 180 on the stock. No to Poca from Loca Yoko. Jealous of what he did to his wife, laughing out loud. Best part of making Yokos is making Yokos. Ron Wepo, ready for now. Threaten them with Yoko is Roseanne singing off. Roseanne sing off. There you go. If we make enough Yoko sounds, Alex's daughter will think that it's normal speech. I swear Bruce never says fantastic anymore. Sad face. He never says it. Trying to attack GameStop. True call, Lowe's. Crap, I'm wearing the red shirt, but I made 1,000 recovery dollars today. I know, I know, I don't know that I don't know that I know, but at least I know that I don't know that I don't know that I know. Uncle Bruce, tell me what you predict on IPOE within the next couple of months. Any more on the Whisper of 400 a pop, or I also want a Tesla. Can you tell me exactly where it's going to go, exactly when I want to know it, at the exact time I want to know it? Tone up the sauce, Uncle Bruce. Let's go, peeps. How we doing there on those thumbs ups? 882. Oh, man, Yoko's coming out. Yoko is coming out. These thumbs ups are just not coming in. We're just not getting the thumbs ups that we need to keep Yoko at bay. This is scary stuff. People want to hear Yoko. I can't believe it. 883 thumbs ups right now, which is great. 891, but we need 1,000 thumbs ups to keep Yoko the heck out of here. 896. We need 104 more thumbs ups as soon as humanly possible, people. She's warming up her vocals over there. 908, 92 away. Yoko, just stand by. We're at 912 now. 88 away. Just hold on. What's that? She's warming up she's getting the brass band warmed up too. The polka band is getting geared up out there. 921. We need 79 more thumbs ups. Quick! Hit those thumbs ups, guys. Keep the polka band out of here, please. God help me. 929 on the thumbs ups right now. We need 1,000 thumbs ups ASAP. Help me, please. God help me. GameStop is 179.53 right now in the aftermarket. Where are we at on this live count now? 839. We need 945. We need 55 more thumbs ups. Or Yoko is coming out here with a vengeance, because she was upset the other day when you guys gave me 1,000 thumbs up. You held her off. Now she's coming. She wants to come out here. We're at 51 thumbs ups away from keeping Yoko Ono out of here with that polka medley that she's been practicing all weekend at the neighbor's house. There were tears over there. 957, 43 to go. What's it? She's close. 38 thumbs ups away. 38 thumbs up. We might make it 31 away from keeping Yoko on this channel today. We don't want no Yoko Ono. 28 to go. 972. What's that? No, it's all right. It's 24 to go. Yoko, I'm not sure. I don't think we're going to need you. Just stay over there. 979. We're 21 thumbs ups away, Yoko. 15 away. We might make it, and we'll be able to keep Yoko. What's that? No, 13 to go. Guys, 13 thumbs ups. Keep it coming. 10 to go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. No, we lost one. We're at 90. Yoko, don't come out here. No. 997. 3, 2, 1. Yoko. 999. I don't know if we're gonna make it. 99. I don't know, Yoko. Oh, thank God we got them. 1,000 thumbs ups have come in here. Oh, thank goodness you guys have spared all of us from what's that, Yoko? You'll be back tomorrow? Oh gosh, no. Oh geez, guys, you are. Oh, thank you everybody for helping out so much, keeping her at bay because it was close. It was close. The comments were coming in hot and heavy here. I got a new cologne called Musk by Elon. Yoko rhymes with Yoko. Colin, but no. Best bet. All the shorters finally gave up attacking GameStop. The absence of evidence is not the of evidence of absence. Okay. No, I know. Yoko, oh no. Kool-Aid Man. Oh yeah. Bruce, I forgot that the Yoko video, absolutely brilliant. Give the people what they want. Bruce, you should get a magic 8-ball for any time people ask you to predict the future. Yoko all day, haha. I had to unlike just to hear some Yoko. Okay, Bagel Fam. I gotta go. I gotta get some things done. Have a green day. If you play any Yoko, I'm out of here. Click that freaking button, people. I want to hear the polka. Yoko's song about the abuse she endured from John was pretty good. Oh my gosh. Come on, people. Let's go, people. I've exhausted all my thumbs ups on all my devices. If Yoko yodels, a GameStop will crash. Oh no. Oh no. We need a Yoko and a no Yoko emoji. Having a good one here. I wanted to hear her do that polka. I'm not a rookie, just a cheapskate. Yoko, living La Lita Loca Polka. There are certain moments when Uncle Bruce is looking at the crystal ball to predict the future. Oh my gosh, Yoko ransomware. Keep her in that box, Bruce. Yoko's cross general work is amazing. You're mad, my man. You are mad. Stay over there, Yoko. I see 1,000. You put Yoko in the corner, please. 1,000 thumbs up, Bruce. You can't be serious. You've hit 1,000. You are crazy. I love it. Thank you. I won't call Bruce in the Black Wong Dong Yoko thing. We're good. 1,000 a day keeps the Yokos away. I want to be in the polka band with Bruce. Back to being chained in the radiator in Bruce's basement with Yoko. Oh man, I love the video where Chuck Berry looks at her. What the hey? When she started singing Easy. If GameStop hits 500, Yoko needs a tribute. Drew, that was close. Achievement unlocked. That was very close. Rock on. I want to see the thousands of apes and Yoko wigs on that cruise. No one would sing. No one would sign Double Fantasy because of. No one would sign Double Fantasy because of Yoko. John went to Giffen and I said, I want to do an album, but Yoko sings half the songs. Giffen says, John, I wouldn't have it any other way. Just sign here. Bruce, good luck with the rest of your shows today. I don't stay up all night getting beat up by Jen. Dan, thank you, buddy, so much for your donation today and being here. I love it. Jay and Drew, my ears can't take it. They were bleeding after the video. Uncle Bruce, Yoko just texted me saying she will sing if you do not hit the 2,000 likes. Nobody puts Yoko in the corner. Oh, that was close, guys. That was very close. We kept that at bay, and I thank you very much for that. Well, the markets have closed for the day. Down 54 for the Dow, down 10 for S&P, down 50 for the NASDAQ. GameStop closed at 180.50 today. What a run that had. Up $20.68. Right now, 179.03 in the aftermarket. And Bruce, OG coming out of the Oregon next year. Original gangster coming out of the Yoko, says Joe. So we can't complain about the kind of day we had today. We ended up with IPOE closing at 15.48, up some 50 odd cents, 54 cents today. So that was a gain. Give me that for 10 days in a row. I'm a happy guy. We'll start at $20 and go from there. But Gore's Holdings was an odd duck today. It was down all day at 11.10. 11.15 range, down 28 cents on the day, but that one will jump around a bit. We are noticing, we saw the AMC did reach 14.38 today, but AMC closed at 13.95, and it was a gain of 97 cents, 7.4%. Nothing wrong with that. But question is, can AMC get through 14 and maintain a level above that, or is it sort of stuck around here? And what happens if the GameStop, not the GameStop, if the AMC volumes back up? Right now, 145 million for the day, 260,000 in the aftermarket. But what happens if the AMC shares fluctuate back into the 40, 50 million a day range? Will that spell a downward tick on AMC shares? Because it seems to me that it needs 150 to 200 million shares a day to kind of maintain these prices, get into that 14 range. Without that kind of volume, it seems to back off. There's probably a lot of day trading speculation going on here as well. and I wonder how long that'll last. I don't know. We'll see. We'll stay on it, but today was a good day. It was an okay day for AMC for sure. There you have it. That is the deal. That is what I'm following here, and hanging out with my troops here, the gang here from this channel. Thank you, all of you, for being here today. Love it, and like I say, it's a lot of fun having you here. Thank you. What else is going on here? I've read those comments already. Sorry, I have to keep coming forward. Bruce, if I mail you a cowbell, will you make sure there's more cowbell? Oh my gosh. We have one on the front door, but it's like this big. It's a little tiny thing. You don't want to ship me a cowbell from the United States. It'll cost you a fortune. Out now, fortune to ship around here. John Cowbell. Hey, Bruce, if I find your recommended stocks, hey, where can I find the stocks you talk about? Well, they're right here. Hang on. Let me show you the recommended list here. These are these are the picks that I like. You can see them right there. You can screenshot that if you like. And there you go. GHVI and VGAC, GameStop, IBM, Microsoft, Intel, Home Depot, Cisco, Apple, Facebook, Micron, Vanik Semiconductor ETF called SMH. Then we got SVAC and FAII and VACQ and NSH, IPOE, FWAA. Those are my stocks that I mentioned to people, and there you go. Enjoy and check them out. See what you think, and hope you do well. Like I say, I hope you do very well with them. There is what we got. That's what we have. That's where we're at right now. Moving forward here. Here we plus nobody. I got the shot in the mouth. Got shot in South Central LA today. Today was a good day. Nobody got shot today. Good. 3 Uncle Bruce, the Uncle Bruce Dixon videos. Use your AK, laugh out. Gonna ship the cowbell from Canada. Eh? Oh my, still expensive. Apologies, Uncle Bruce, but I was super busy today. I missed the show. How are you feeling on IPOE today? Same as it ever was. Insert Talking Heads music. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Had a good day. Dice, a good call, an amazing song. There you go. Yeah, it had a good day today, and 2 weeks from today, IPOE will be SoFi. So get ready for SoFi trading in the not too distant future on the deal. So yeah, what was this saying here? I shipped. What was that? I shipped a bong to Canada last year. It was about $30 the shipping costs. Not a good idea. Something indeed. Whatever it means. Yeah, good song indeed. 180.20 on GameStop on the aftermarket right now. Closed at 180.60 today. 180.50 on GameStop. Woohoo! Maybe we'll get some good. News tomorrow. Some press releases. I want more money. My shares are ready, sir. Thanks as always for your insights. Right on, Austin. Like I say, what a day on GameStop today. Unexpected move to be so much, but I'm happy. Just had a good run all the way. There you have it, folks. Thank you for joining me today and being here. Make sure to join me later on my other channel. I'm going to be live on the TWB, Traveling with Bruce, at 7 o'clock for sponsor members, 8 o'clock for everybody. Anybody wants to join us at 8 o'clock tonight, Eastern Time, Traveling with Bruce. We'll talk cruise ships and traveling. Those of you who would like a one-on-one session with me, if you'd like to have a one-on-one session with me, usually I do them on Saturdays and Sundays. And this week is a long weekend. It's Memorial Day, so we're not open for trading on Monday. So if you'd like to spend an hour with me on Monday, if that's the one day you can do it, I will be available for 4 sessions on Monday. And if you'd like to have a one-on-one private session with me, either this Sunday or Monday, I've got a couple spots open Sunday and then 4 on Monday. Send me an email on my email address right here at brucefarmert@hotmail.com, and we'll get you set up for a one-on-one session. And we can go over your situation and where you're at, what's going on in your world, and try to help you out with your stock picks or portfolio or life advice, whatever you want. We do it all. I seem to be doing it all. Again, I love to see you. So send me a private email at that address. Say, hey, I'd like to have a one-on-one session with you. When can you set me up? I charge $400 US for now, and it's right here on this channel. I split the screen in half. I'm sitting over here. You're sitting over there, and we talk to each other, and it's pretty good. I love it. A number of you have booked me twice, 3 times. Fantastic. Beautiful. My Danish broker finally added FWAA. Right on. I shipped my pants from Target. Laugh out loud. I need to change my name so Uncle Bruce can pronounce it. Yeah, SB Esbarasic. How do you pronounce it? Adam, burning down the house. Carlos, AT&T closed slightly down. Smiling. Broke broker price prediction tomorrow. No idea. I have no idea. I'm too tired to guess that. 1 gazillion dong. Will you leave your sock? Will you leave your sock on during one-on-one? I like that loose, airy feel, you know. Uncle Bruce, how's the shopping coming along on the chair? Nothing yet. I've talked to my cousin about it, but we haven't figured that out yet. Conduit, a gazillion dong. Jane, stock markets with Bruce. Aren't the stock markets closed next weekend, not this weekend? I don't know. Isn't Memorial Day this weekend? Isn't Memorial Day on Monday coming up? Help me out, people. Talk to me. Bazillion, laughing out loud. I heard there is a major cowbell shortage. We need more. When we moon, we should all buy one-on-ones and just listen to good music, smoke a fine cigar, and have a nice glass of caffeine-free Diet Coke with Uncle Bruce. There you go. What a lovely picture of our singer in residence. I'm so glad I sold my Chipotle stock to get more AMC. Good. 2 different things there. Laughing out loud. Bruce is seeking a new chair. I hate market holidays. Memorial Day isn't until the 31st. It's not this weekend? Is it the weekend after? I'll have to book then on the 31st. Okay, then that's what I'll do. Fine. Okay. Yeah, that's what I checked just to be sure. Laugh out loud. No, Memorial is the 31st. So on the 31st of May, I will have 4 one-on-ones available for any of you who would like one. So we'll book you in for that. Right now, I've got Saturday all booked out. I think so. I got 4 people booked for Saturday, unless someone cancels. And I got 2 openings for Sunday. And then next weekend, I already have I have Saturday available. I have slots on Sunday and on Monday. So next weekend, 3 days, Saturday the 29th, the 30th, or 31st. If you'd like to book in those days, let me know. I've got slots on Saturday, Sunday, and the Monday now available for the 31st Memorial Day. How about that? Okay. Yeah, Google will say last Monday, 13th. X2 Executive Tax Chair. I can't order a chair through GameStop, because GameStop does not have chairs in Canada through EB Games. And so I have to order a chair through a Canadian distributor, and we're still looking for the right brand and the right chair. And we're working on it. I'm working on a couple of other things that are happening here, and eventually we'll fill you in on everything that's going on. There's so much happening. Oh, gosh, I'm excited. Everyone recommends the Herman Miller chairs, and I think I saw them linked to news about Matterport, so it's a win-win. Book it, worth every penny. Yes, Uncle B, let's discuss your chair shopping. Auntie, Bruce, you need to have a backyard barbecue happy hour in here on Memorial Day. There you go. Maybe what I should do is I should do a special telecast that is available to on Memorial Day. And I should do a show only for special donators. I'm not sure how I would ever do that. I'd have to set up a something on like a Patreon or something, and or something on this channel. Maybe like only 25 people are allowed in, and it's $100 each. The greedy bugger that I am. I'm not going to do that. No way. I'm going to just do 4 one-hour sessions. If they book, they book. If they don't, they don't. Ron, observe as a Brazilian wouldn't be much of a problem, but Brazilian, your hubby would get mad. Edward, don't forget, Uncle Bruce, to charge holiday prices on that money. See, there you go. There you go. I should charge $600 for private sessions, right? Oh my gosh, crazy. Oh, I could do a a 1 hour hangout or a 2 hour hangout for up to 9 people on StreamYard for a specific donation. I could do something like that. That I could do. John, if SoFi hits 150 share, Uncle Bruce and Auntie Jen are getting custom stocks with Bruce Steeler jerseys from yours. Truly, well, thank you, John. Thank you for that. That would be wonderful. And let's go. It's too bad EB Games doesn't trade on the TSX. And observe, Ron, that would be impossible since I'm not married. Austin, highly recommended. My Secret Labs chair, got it pre-COVID and has been working from home so much better than on my posture. My Secret Labs chair. How about that? Ron, observe. Okay, get yourself 2 Brazilian then. Laughing out loud. There you go. Do 2 Brazilian. Observe myself on it. I'm on it. There you go. Ferrigan, at 250, I'll open a bottle of 12-year Pepsi Max from the cellar. There you go. Bringing out the good stuff, the real good stuff. Cheers to all of you from Uncle Bruce in Creston, British Columbia. Hope you're having a great day today. You can't be not having a good day today with what GameStop did going to 180. That was an okay day, don't you think? 180.14 on the aftermarket. Cheers to all of you. Fantastic. Go GameStop. Don't stop at all. Just keep right on going tomorrow. Well, let's see what it does. We'll see what it wants to do. New RedBubble product idea. Bagel-themed hemorrhoid seat cushion. GRSB, greedy retired stockbroker. Best bet, check your posture and hydrate. Ferrigan, that's hilarious. Ferrigan laughing out loud. How about that? There you go. Everybody, thank you so much for being with me today. We are at the 1:30 mark, 30 minutes into the aftermarket. Very calm, not too much going on. And that is the deal. Thyself, only the good stuff. Ferrigan, Crystal Pepsi. That's right. Was it Crystal Pepsi Clear? You remember that SNL skit with Crystal Clear, and it was like gravy poured out like a thick goo, a white goo. Pepsi Crystal Clear. Rocco, thank you, Rocco, for becoming a new member of this channel. Welcome to the group and the gang. It's nice to have you here. I do appreciate it. If Ferrigan's laughing out loud, Gray Fox, Uncle Bruce, I have bought VGAC calls, 1250s for June 18. Think that was a bad move. Also, we need some afternoon bagels. Yeah, you're way too soon. You are way too early. You should be out at the end of the year. I don't like these early calls. Ron, Uncle Bruce, is there no news about when we can expect some news about the news according to news about GameStop's news? Haven't heard a thing yet. Jay Ray, there's Rocco. Rabbit, welcome, Rocco. Ferrigan, don't do it, but there's been they're been there, done that. My aunt saved Pepsi from the 90s. Ooh, oh, yuckity poo, I would think. Yuckity poo, I would definitely think. Pepsi from the 90s. Ooh. Yikes. All right, there you go. Anyway, there you have it. Thank you for being here, everybody. Appreciate your participation. We're at 1,000 thumbs ups and holding. Thank you for that. 42 on the down dip. We're rolling right along. No worries. Thank you, everybody. And what can I say? We're doing what we can with what the market has given us. Thanks, Uncle Bruce, looking out for his peeps. And Patricia, Rocco, welcome to the channel. I think I'm going to pack the show in. It's an hour, 30 minutes into the show, and it's gotten awful quiet here. We're going to rest up. I'm going to get ready for my 7 o'clock Eastern Time show on TWB for sponsor members, and then my 8 o'clock show on Traveling with Bruce for anyone who would like to join us on Traveling with Bruce at 8 o'clock tonight. I'd love to have you come on by. Thank you for joining me today and being with me for the first show this morning, 3 hours on the opening market, hour before the opening. I'll be on again tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern Time, an hour before we open up for trading, 5:30 Pacific Time. And we'll be on for 3 hours following what's going on. And thank you. We want to rock. Catch you later. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. We'll, like I say, tomorrow we'll be on for 2 shows, the morning show and the afternoon show. Let's see what GameStop does for us tomorrow. How about IPOE and all the other companies? We'll watch all these stocks. Thank you. Have a good night, everyone. A great day, folks. Thanks again. And we'll see you tomorrow. I used to sweat for low and ant killer and toxic for them, whatever that means. Good to be with you. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Carlos, a beautiful start to the week. You have a good night. Thanks, Uncle B. Another great day for in your company. Let's have a fabulous week together. Thank you. Have a great evening. Bye-bye. Same to you guys. 250 more. Let's go. Later, Uncle B and Jen, thanks for all your insight, Bruce. Thanks, Uncle B. Love your Uncle B and Jen. Have a great night and have a good one. Greetings from all. There's a major bicycle shortage in NA due to COVID. Wouldn't it be a bad idea to open the bike shop or possibly use the high demand in your favor? Yeah, the problem is you can't get the bikes. There's every factory is sold out for months. Later, Bruce. Thank you, Alex. J. Ray, thank you, buddy. See you. Good night, Speckler and Pizzeria. Good night. Thank you, guys. We'll see you tomorrow morning on this channel, and we'll see you on TWB later tonight, 7 and 8 o'clock Eastern. Bye for now.